one up, Kawasaki Versus. This is a 22 plate Daytona motorcycles dropped off to me earlier. Not sure if it's their demo or one they've just taken in, but they've got somebody interested in it. So I'm going to give it a bit of a freshen up. More than anything, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. It's obviously been ridden lately and it's got quite a bit of salt and bits on it. So we'll get all this old chain lube degreased, get all this grit off of there. We'll clean up behind the license plate there. We'll polish up that collector box down there. This is a 22 plate. I don't think it's got a lot of miles, but just needs that bit of trot TLC. More than anything, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. It's a nice little bonus to offer someone that's looking at your secondhand bikes to say that it's been properly trotted and protected. So we're going to do a little machine polishing on this windscreen. It's got a couple of scratches on there as well. I don't think you can see on the screen there, but then we'll do our little bit on that exhaust, get that looking like new. So let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. Another trot. Legendary full Monty valet completed. This one here is for Daytona motorcycles in Ruislip Manor. Not too sure whether this is their demo or one they've just taken in, but it's just had the trot treatment and looking as new. Look at those exhausts, they have come up as new. Everything's been cleaned on this, full Snowfoam safe wash to remove any contaminants. We then blow dried everything, making sure to remove any moisture from your switch gears, all behind your rad. Everything's been thoroughly blow dried. We then got down to a bit of protection, re-lubed all that chain back up, Silcoline titanium gel. I then misted all the motor, all your back of your rad, all down behind your forks, all your switch gear, anything I think might corrode has had a nice coating of the XCP clear coat. All up there behind your engine, all your shock mount, all your swing arm, your sprocket bolts, everything's had a little brushing of the XCP orange. All your banjo bolts, your pinch bolts, etc., anything that I think might corrode has had a nice coating of the XCP orange. I polished up that exhaust, as you can see. Look at that, it has come up like new. We use the white diamond metal polish, which also leaves a protective waterproof coating, so it should keep it looking nice. I just did a single stage machine polish. The paintwork was pretty good, to be honest. Had a couple of imperfections, so I just did a single stage machine polish. I worked on this screen a little bit, managed to remove those fine scratches. Yeah, absolutely gleaming. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.